Hey, what's going on, everyone? I want to thank every single person who supports my channel. It really means the world to me. Now, if you want to support my channel even further, check out my online website. We have some amazing designs. We have some hoodies, t-shirts, mugs, and water bottles. Right now, we have 15% off. So definitely check it out. Link will be in the description. And thank you so much, guys. Hey, what's going on YouTube? I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video will be only for entertainment. This is not a financial advice. If you're planning on investing, please take your time, do your own research, and invest at your own risk. With that being said, let's get started. Today, we're going to have some important information regarding AMC's future. In the past 1 week, we've seen some great gains for AMC. But now this is all in the past. We need to worry about the future. And today I'm going to tell you some new information regarding AMC. The first thing I want to talk about is their brilliant move. The CEO of AMC just made some great move. And another thing I want to talk about is AMC executive selling their shares. And another thing I want to talk about is AMC raising money to buy more theaters. They want to expand. This is not it yet. And the first thing I want to talk about, and it's very, very important for you guys to watch until the end because I will be sharing some very, very important information. The first thing I want to talk about will be AMC sharing and asking that their shareholders need to issue 25 million more shares. So AMC is asking the rights to issue 24 million new shares. And the reason why, because CEO of AMC believes is going to be very, very important for the company to have the available tools necessary. And he believes they will be needing more shares in the future for upcoming new investors. Now, before that, AMC requested 500 million new shares, but that was too much from the investors. Investors did not like the idea, and the AMC, they canceled the plan. And now they are asking for a much, much smaller number, which is 25 million new shares. Now, this one will not be approved until 2022. That means this is not something we should be considering ourselves with in the near future. This is something for the upcoming year. So this is not something where it will affect the price right now, but it will in the near future if it will be approved. Okay, another thing that I want to talk about is AMC selling. We have AMC executives selling their shares, and this is something very important because as an investor, you need to know what's going on inside of AMC board members and executives. So we have 2 board members and 4 executives selling their shares, and we found out on Friday. There's one person who sold 40,000 shares at the price of $62.67, and that is worth $2.5 million. And that, they just made so much money. They don't want to lose. And this just shows that we have some board members and executives think, you know what, I'm going to get out of here with my money, with my $1 million. I'm going to go home and relax. So this is something you should be aware of. Another thing you should be aware of is the CEO of this company did not sell any of his shares yet. He repeatedly says that on an interview on YouTube on Thursday, he said, I tied my fortunes to the success of this company. And this company, as of right now, they raised more than $800 million selling new shares. And this is why he has so much hope for AMC, and this is why he wants to add more 25 million more new shares, because he tied all of his fortune with this company and he has high hopes for this company. This guy cares about the retail investors. What he's trying to do is make a new program where it rewards where it rewards the retail investors. So the first thing is going to be a program called AMC Investor Connect. And they're going to reward with a free large popcorn on your first movie this summer. Now, it doesn't seem like much, but this guy is trying to pretty much test this program. He wants to know if he will be successful in having a direct communication with a retail investor. This is why he's doing this program. He just wants to test the waters, see if he can get close to the retail investors and see if he can communicate with a retail investor in a much more direct way. And this is really smart because this guy is trying his best to make the new investors not sell and hold. He wants people to hold AMC shares instead of selling. He wants to make this meme, right now AMC's meme is overvalued because before the pandemic, the market cap for this company didn't even get close to $4 billion. As of right now, as of this week, it reached almost $30 billion. There's a huge difference going on in 1 year alone. And this guy, the CEO of AMC, sees this as an opportunity to take. He wants people to hold with AMC shares. He does not want to let go of this opportunity, which is really, really smart coming in from the CEO. Now, another thing that I want to talk about is this. AMC Theaters raising money to buy ArcLight. And for those of you that don't know what ArcLight is, it's pretty much cinemas and Pacific Theaters. So we have AMC Theaters, and they announced the plan to raise $230.5 million for a major acquisition in the movie theater sector, specifically setting their eyes on a recently shuttered ArcLight Cinemas and Pacific Theaters. So they want to expand, ladies and gentlemen. They want to expand and they want to take the opportunity. There's so many adults being vaccinated in New York and throughout the U.S. in general, and they're trying their best to make AMC go back to the way it was and even better with what's going on right now. So this is some valuable information that I want to share with you guys. The CEO of AMC is trying his best to make people hold on to their shares. He does not want people to sell, and this is why he wants to be in a direct communication through a new program. Now, we do see that AMC is trying to expand their business, and they're trying to put some positive news going on to help boost the price of AMC. And this is something that you got to be really careful this week, because you want to buy at the right price. If you are buying, and remember, I am not a financial advisor, but if you are buying, you want to buy at the right price. That from there, once you buy, you will only see AMC going up. So you have to be really careful, decide what is the price you want AMC on, and how long do you want to hold for. Do you want to hold for a month? Do you want to hold for a week? Do you even want to hold for just 1 day? So this is something you guys want to be really careful this week, because there is so much volatility going on with AMC, and you just have to be really, really careful. I hope you guys learned something from today's video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can watch more of my videos in the future. Now, peace out.